Oh, yeah. Winter in Iowa. Well, this sucks. I can't even go to work. Look at this crap. What is this today? The 19th of January? It's looking like 19th of January, all kinds. Oh, Lord Almighty. YouTube, I'll look back years from now and I'll remember a big old blizzard where I couldn't go to work. This is the Ryan Saint Show. We haven't done one in a long time. I don't know what this kid's doing over here. He fell on his ass earlier. Well, yeah. I don't work very long, but this ain't gonna work. Damn, it just ruins everything on a Friday. It's a Friday and it's ruined everything.